am Dr. Sunil Gosavi, and today I am going to talk on organic farming. Benefits of organic farming. Why we should have organic farming. Why we should consume organic products. So first we will just know the meaning of organic. Organic means bio. Organic means natural. And now we should consider here the concept of organic farming. Organic farming, it is a method of agricultural production in which farmers avoid to use the synthesized inputs, chemical inputs to produce agricultural production, and instead of this, so farmers they use natural inputs. So this is the simple concept of organic farming. Now there are various benefits of organic farming. There are various benefits of organic farming, organic product. So the first benefit of organic product is organic product is healthy. It is very healthy as compared to the chemical product. It has many or much more nutritions as compared to the chemical products. So this is the first benefit, and therefore the consumer should consume the organic products. Second benefit is, in case of chemical products, agricultural products, there are chemical residues in chemical products, because what happens when farmers produce the chemical products by use of this method, so they use the chemical pesticides, chemical insecticides, chemical fertilizers, chemical sprays, chemical inputs, and some residue, some proportion of the chemical factors which come into in production, agricultural production, and when we consume it, so directly it goes in our human body. So as compared to chemical products, in case of organic product, natural product, there is zero proportion, zero residue of chemical products. So therefore consumership advanced countries will be much more, and we will get the foreign currency. So this is the another benefit. Now the organic farming is the labor intensive technique. It means there is no scope for much scope for the machines. There is scope for labor. There is scope for labor, and therefore it another advantage of the organic farming, organic product is organic. By use of organic farming, farmers, government can achieve the sustainable development of farming and nation. Water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, etc., etc., and it limits for the sustainable development. So another benefit of the organic farming is, so by use of the organic farming, farmers can remove their poverty, because organic farming is possible in less cost of production, and due to less cost of production, so there will be high percentage of revenue and lesser cost. It means farmer will maximize larger amount of margin of profit, and due to this profit their income will be higher, and they will not be poor, they will remove their poverty. Another advantage of the organic farming is, hello, the last benefit of the organic farming is a low cost farming. It means the farmer need not get the higher cost of production to produce the organic production, because whatever the inputs which want to use by the farmers, so they get these inputs in farm activities. So therefore they need not to purchase this what considered as inputs from market. So therefore it is low cost farming. And last benefit of the farming is organic farming is that, so organic products which are available to the consumers at a reasonable rate, because organic farming, it is low cost farming. If the cost of farming is less, then farmers they are ready to sell their production at a low cost. So these are the advantages of organic farming. So thus, as a researcher of the farming agriculture, I can say that is the India, our nation should have the large scale organic farming. Government should prepare a proper policy for organic farming. Consumers should prefer for the organic product, and farmers should adopt the large scale organic farming. Thank you.